Welcome to 10 in a nutshell. Today's topic, 10 common parenting mistakes and how to avoid them. Number 1, overprotecting. Overprotective parenting can injure a child's independence and problem-solving skills. Allow your child age-appropriate autonomy, encouraging them to explore, make decisions, and learn from their experiences. Be there to offer support and guidance when necessary. Number 2, neglecting emotional needs. Failing to address a child's emotional needs can lead to insecurity and emotional distress. Take the time to acknowledge and validate their feelings. Show empathy, active listening, and a willingness to talk about emotions, fostering a strong emotional bond. Number 3, inconsistent discipline. Inconsistent rules and consequences can confuse children, making it challenging for them to understand what is expected. Establish clear boundaries and consequences and be consistent in enforcing them. This provides a sense of security and structure. Number 4, comparing to others. Constantly comparing your child to their peers can damage self-esteem and self-worth. Celebrate your child's unique qualities and abilities. Encourage them to compete with themselves, focusing on personal growth rather than external benchmarks. Number 5, lack of communication. Insufficient communication can result in misunderstandings and frustration. Maintain open lines of communication with your child. Encourage them to express their thoughts and feelings and be an active, non-judgmental listener. Number 6, overscheduling. Overloading your child's schedule with numerous activities can lead to stress and a lack of free time for creativity and relaxation. Find a balance between structured activities and unstructured free time to allow them to explore their interests and decompress. Number 7, ignoring self-care. Neglecting your own physical and mental well-being can affect your parenting abilities. Prioritize self-care to ensure you are mentally and emotionally available for your child. Remember that taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential for effective parenting. Number 8, overindulging. Giving in your child's every desire can lead to entitlement and a lack of appreciation for hard work. Teach your child the value of patience, delayed gratification, and the importance of earning reward through effort and responsibility. Number 9, not allowing failure. Shielding your child from failure can prevent them from learning important life lessons, such as resilience and problem solving. Allow your child to experience failure and setbacks. Be there to guide them in finding solutions and learning from their mistakes, promoting resilience and growth. Number 10, overbearing control. Exercising too much control and authority in parenting can hinder a child's creativity, independence, and ability to make decisions. Find the right balance by setting clear boundaries and allowing your child to make age-appropriate choices. Encourage them to learn from their decisions and take ownership for their actions. By recognizing and addressing these common parenting mistakes, you can create a nurturing and supportive environment that fosters your child's healthy growth and development. If you enjoyed our content, like, share, subscribe, and share your views in the comment section down below. Take care.